Hey everybody, welcome to Diaries of a Farmhouse. I'm Maddie. So today's a little bit different. We're doing an unboxing and try-on haul from Zeelool. I've been blessed enough to be able to work with them for this video. They've sent me 6 glasses here to show you, and I will also have a code for you in the description box below. Zeelool is a glass company that makes sunglasses and prescription glasses, and they do so at an affordable cost. They have their own assembly line, so they're able to make glasses that are a little more affordable, and they also have really quick shipping. I was really impressed when I was looking at their website with how many options they have, color options, style options. They have everything that you need. I have worn contacts pretty much forever because I don't really like wearing my glasses. I find that they are uncomfortable or they don't really go with every outfit. Zeelool makes it easy to find glasses that suit your style so that you're comfortable wearing them whenever you want to. So I have some glasses here to show you. I'll also talk more about their website and the tools they have on their website to help you find the glasses that suit you. They have this really cool tool when you're shopping for glasses where you can try the glasses onto a photo of yourself, or some of them even have like a live camera where you can see yourself live with the glasses on before you make a decision on what you would like to order. So I thought that was pretty cool because I'm really indecisive and I'm really picky about what I wear. So again, we're working with Zeelool today. They had really quick shipping. I have 6 pairs of glasses in here that I want to show you. Each one has their own bag that they send the glasses in, so that's really nice. You can kind of keep your glasses protected. I'm going to pull these out and I'm just going to start showing you guys the glasses. So they also send glass cleaning rags. Let's start with our first pair. These ones are a little more on the colorful side, a little chunky. Does anybody else love that? So this is what they look like. They got the green on the bottom and this kind of light pink and brown, this light pink and brown plastic on the top. Okay, so I love the way that these fit. I'm looking at myself in this mirror down here. Super cute style. I like that they're a little bit more chunky, a little more fashion. There's a little pop of color on the bottom. I think these are super fun. They're really comfortable, actually. Usually my glasses will hurt behind my ears. These ones sit really nice. They're not hurting me at all. So first pair, I love these. I think they're super fun. I think they're super cute, especially with like your hair up in a bun or in a clip. So let's move on to the next pair. Let me show you those. So on to our next pair. These ones are a little bit lighter, it feels like. These ones are super colorful, but a little bit of a thinner frame. Let's get that in there. Okay, these ones are super fun. Let me show you the sides. There's a little bit of a glitter detail on the side. The rims, I don't know if this is going to come across in this video. Hopefully it does. They're pink on the frame, and then there's like a blue behind the pink, so as you move you kind of see both colors. I think it's super simple but also a fun pop of color. Let's go ahead and put these guys on. Ooh, I really like these ones. These are super cute, a little more subtle than the last pair, but you still have that really fun pop of color and the glitter on the sides, and I really like this shape. I like this shape of glasses on my face. I just feel like it's really flattering, really cute. It'd be really cute with like, you can't see my shirt right now, but a black shirt with like some cool detail on it. I think they kind of complement each other well. So this pair I really like. I can see myself wearing these a lot. And again, they're really comfortable. They're sitting really nice. They don't hurt at all. They went on really nice. They're sitting really comfortably on my face, not moving at all. I really like this pair. Third pair of glasses. These ones feel like they have a little bit of a thicker edge on them, and they do, but I love this color already. I'm seeing that they're a little more neutral. They're still kind of fun. They're kind of chunky. They are more neutral colors, which is super great. They'd be cute with like cream colored sweaters. I could just see that, like this winter, being super cozy in a cream colored sweater with these glasses. Okay, yeah, these are super cute. They're like a blush kind of pink color. We've got like the more opaque coloring at the top, and then this is more see-through. Let's go ahead and put these on. This is a different shape than what I'm used to, so I'm excited to see how they look on. Yeah, these are super cute. I forgot to mention, these are all also blue light blocking, which is super important when I'm on my computer doing work. I'm protecting my eyes. I do notice a lot of eye fatigue, and I also notice a lot of like my eyes start to twitch when I'm on the computer too long. I just feel really tired. My eyesight, maybe it changes a little bit just from being strained looking at the computer. So I feel like the blue light will help a lot with that kind of stuff and helping with the eye fatigue when I'm working for a long time on the computer. These are super cute. I don't see them with this outfit, but definitely like a cream colored sweater or a cute like white tee. I really like the more neutral coloring on these, and the shape is super fun. Onto our fourth pair. These ones feel like they're a thinner frame again. And they are. These are definitely more neutral but still fun glasses. They are just gold, but I really like that these are in the shape of kind of like a butterfly. I feel like they'd be fun to dress up an outfit and still be kind of spunky, different. Again, this is a shape I normally do not wear, so I'm really excited to see them on. I think these would be super cute with like a neutral outfit, with like the gold clip in your hair, the gold hoops. Yeah, I really like these too. I think these are super fun. The gold kind of just adds a little bit of flair. The shape looks like a butterfly again, and I really like that. I think they are super interesting. I like these a lot. They fit really comfortable. They're light, and I like that as well. Show you a close-up of a little more of the detail. They do have like a little bit of space here where the plastic isn't, so that's really fun. Adds a little bit of different texture dimension to the frame. Okay, we have 2 more glasses left. I'm super excited to see these. I don't know which one I want to go to. I think I'm going to go with this one. Okay, 5th pair of glasses. Ooh, another chunky one. These ones are like a blush pink on the side. They actually match my nails at the moment, which is kind of fun. We've got the brown and pink going on. Okay, these are definitely different from anything that I've worn. I'm kind of venturing outside my comfort zone with these, but I think these would be super fun with just like a super cash outfit. Let's go ahead and try these on. Ooh, I really like these with my hair up. I think they'd be cute too with like a half up, half down hairstyle. Super cute. I like these, and I like that they match my nails. They're really light too. They don't feel super heavy on my face. The back of these is also a little matte, but the front is gloss. Okay, so we're on to our last pair of glasses. I'm really happy with how this is going. Let me show you. These ones are super fun. I envision myself like wearing these with a cute black vest and like a long sleeve shirt underneath. Another pop of color glass. They're like a little bit thick, a little chunky, but they're a little bit thicker obviously than some of the wire ones. Okay, and I like these. I like the shape of these, but this is what they look like. The top is clear with some like black coloring, and then the rest is this really pretty green color. Green is my favorite color. Ooh, I love these, especially with this shirt. I'll have to like, I don't know if I can show you. My shirt has got plants on it. These are super cute. Another favorite pair. I think out of all of them, ugh, I don't know. These two are definitely more outside my comfort zone, these chunkier ones, but I think they're super fun, and I like that they each have like their own kind of pop of color. I think they'd be cute with like a baggy sweater or like kind of a funky sweater. Maybe I'm trying to envision half up, half down, or like maybe a tight slick back bun would be cute with these. My favorite pairs, I think, are these ones. I really like these with these outfits. I like those a lot. I'm more of a neutral girly, but I really enjoy the pop of color from these and the little bit of glitter on the side. So I think this is one of my top favorites. I think these are my favorite. These might be, I think these could be my second favorite. But these ones are just super fun. Like, let me just put them on again. I like that they're neutral, but they're still they're subtle, but they're not subtle. I like the design. I like that they're a little more wearable day to day, like with whatever outfit you have on. Pair it with a little bit of gold jewelry, maybe like a cute necklace. I think these would be cute with like your hair curled, kind of pulled back. But I think, yeah, those are probably my top three. And then I think the next one would have to be these ones, because I think they'd be super cute with like anything cream colored like crop tee or like a cream colored sweater this winter. I definitely think these would be like my fourth favorite. So with that being said, I'm going to change into those green ones again. I really enjoy those. Yeah, I love these. They're different than what I normally wear, but I'm really enjoying them, especially with this outfit I have on. I could see me wearing glasses a lot more with these choices. Zeelool definitely opens up the opportunity to find yourself some fashion and glasses. If you're into fashion, I'm kind of starting that process of getting into fashion, dressing a little more fashionable. I think that the fact that they have so many options, color options, style options, I like the fact that you can try them on virtually. I think all of that makes it super easy to choose the best pair of glasses for you. And the best part is they're affordable too, which is great if you're looking for just like a nice pair of glasses to either wear every day, to dress up. I love that there's so many style options for men's and women's, and I definitely will be looking also at their sunglass options, trying them on, seeing what they look like with outfits. I definitely need to wear sunglasses a lot more, and I have a lot of really cute pairs that I am excited to try. So with that being said, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching this video. Check out the information in the description box below. Definitely check out that code below for, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. And I thank you for stopping by. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.